So now we are going to solve exercise 12.1. In that the question says, draw as many lines of symmetry as can be drawn in the given figure. Write the numbers of lines of symmetry for each. Okay, and we are knowing what is the line of symmetry. The lines of symmetry says, what it says, see, a line that divides the figure into two congruent parts. Congruent means equal parts, each of which is the mirror image of the another. Means it completely overlaps the figure like this. See this, when we will fold with this line of symmetry, this edge, then it will be overlapped. Means this lower portion will not be visible. Yes, completely overlap. Means equal or congruent parts. It divides the figure into two congruent parts. Yes, this is the line of symmetry. So here we have to draw as many lines of symmetry as we can draw. So here in this rectangle we can draw only two lines of symmetry like this. This is the first line of symmetry and this is the another line of symmetry. So there are two lines of symmetry in this figure. So we can write here 2. See, in A, this diagram, number of lines of symmetry we have to identify how many it will be. If I will draw the horizontal line of symmetry, then it will not overlap the figure. That pointed one will not overlap this open-ended. Yes, so I will draw this vertical line of symmetry only, so that only this figure can get overlapped with this figure. So only one vertical line of symmetry will be there in figure A. Here 3 also, it will not work the vertical line of symmetry here. We will draw only the horizontal line of symmetry, then only this figure get overlapped. This half portion get overlapped with this half portion. Yes, when we will fold it. Understood? So only one line of symmetry will work here. 1. Again, this square, number of lines of symmetry, there will be 4 lines of symmetry. One this, another from this diagonal side, and this also. So you have to draw it clearly, properly using scale. So 4 lines of symmetry. This point should coincide all the lines of symmetry. Okay, here I cannot get. Understood? With the ruler only you draw these lines of symmetry. Only 4 lines of symmetry we can draw in this square. Okay, now after this C1, what it asks for, the number of lines of symmetry in U. This U, if I will draw the line of symmetry like horizontal, then it will not get overlapped. This figure cannot overlap. And if I am drawing this vertical line of symmetry, then only this figure gets overlapped. Okay, here number of lines of symmetry in this also only one vertical, not horizontal. In any way we cannot overlap this figure with each other. Only through vertically we can divide this figure in congruent equal parts. Okay, this is the line of symmetry. So this second question I had given in your check your understanding. Please do complete. After it I will provide the answer key also. Complete it. Here what I am reading the question. Complete the following figures in a manner that each is symmetric with the dotted line as the line of symmetry. Okay, so we have to plot this diagram only. Similar diagram. Okay, similar diagram only you have to plot. Similar. So later on I will provide this answer key also. See this the third question. Which English capital letters have the horizontal line of symmetry? English capital letters, horizontal line of symmetry only. Horizontal means like this, horizontal line of symmetry. When we will plot this horizontal line of symmetry, then figure or the letter gets overlapped. Okay, see these many letters are there in English capital alphabets. B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X. Okay, see how. See B. If I am plotting or drawing this horizontal line of symmetry, then only the B get overlap. Upper part gets overlap towards the lower part. In C also, similarly D also. We cannot plot the vertical horizontal line of symmetry, so that we cannot get the congruent or the equal part of these letters. We cannot get. So these only letters in which we can draw the horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, here next question, which English capital alphabet capital letters have the vertical line of symmetry? So A, H, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Understood how which English capital letters have the vertical line of symmetry? See, in A, this is vertical line of symmetry. H, vertical line of symmetry. M, vertical line of symmetry. Means if I will overlap or move means shift over upon this figure, half figure, then this figure upon upward figure will overlap this lower figure. Okay, and it divides that letter into two equal congruent parts. Okay, so these many letters are there in which we can draw the vertical line of symmetry. Clear? See the next question, which English capital letters have the vertical as well as the horizontal line of symmetry? So these three only, O, X and Z. See, in X, vertical as well as horizontal line of symmetry we can plot, so that the figure automatically, yes, see, this also vertically and horizontally they overlaps the figure. Yes, in both the cases, in vertically as well as horizontally, they overlaps the letters. Yes, in O, so many lines of symmetry we can plot. Okay, see the next question, draw a figure which has many lines of symmetry, many. So this is the figure, in this only we can draw many lines of symmetry, so many lines of symmetry we can plot in this figure, circle. Okay, understood these many questions? Okay, now see the last question, choose the correct option. Which of the following figures has a rotational symmetry? Rotational means when we will move it, then the figure will be like the same. So when we will turn it, so if I am turning this E, so it will be like this, the figure will be like this, the sides of E will come towards this side, but in this figure only the figure will remain same. So this is the rotational symmetry. Okay, understood? So this is the answer. Now see, a square has blank line of symmetry. In square we have seen that figure, in square only two lines of symmetry is there. In square two lines of symmetry, no, in square there are four lines of symmetry. Yes, we have seen it in figure. This is square, the four lines of symmetry like this, four lines of symmetry will be there in square. In rectangle, two lines of symmetry. An equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. Like equilateral means all sides are equal. Yes, so if we are drawing this line of symmetry, then it will divide the figure in the equal parts. So it has three lines of symmetry. In any side it can divide the figure equally. So 3 is the answer. Which letter has no line of symmetry? This is having vertical line of symmetry. This is also vertical line of symmetry. This is vertical, horizontal both. So this is the only figure or the letter which is not having any line of symmetry. So Z. Okay. Now see E1. Which letter has the vertical line of symmetry? Vertical. See, this K is having horizontal. P is having, it is not having any, because we cannot draw any symmetry here. P is not having anything. B is having horizontal, and V is the only letter which is having the vertical line of symmetry. Understood? Okay, I think two questions are there. Wait. Okay, yes. See, a regular hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. Regular hexagon. Regular means it is having all sides equal. Regular hexagon, it is having 6 lines of symmetry. Okay, 6 sides are there, so we can draw any from any side. Okay, 6 sides. So this is having 6 lines of symmetry. The last, in which of the following figure the line drawn is a line of symmetry? line drawn is a line of symmetry. We are knowing it because that line which divides the figure equally, or which divides the figure into two equal parts, so that is the line of symmetry. This is not dividing the equal part. This is also not dividing in equal part the figure. This is not dividing. So only this is the figure left which is dividing the figure into equal parts. So this is the line of symmetry. Understood? So here we have ended this exercise. Hope you have understood, and please try to complete this exercise. Okay, thank you.